Hello folks, we come to the part 2 video of this exercise 13.2 and we will be continuing with the questions now. Here the only problem is that we have to find the derivatives by using first principle. So how we are going to do it is we are going to use this formulae kind of thing, and with the help of that we will be showing the derivative, not by direct formulae or something. We will be doing it by first principles. So first, the given function we call it as f of x. Then we see that we require f of x plus h. So let's have this f of x plus h. F of x plus h means wherever x comes, there you replace it by x plus h. So it will become x plus h the whole cube minus 27. What does that work out? X cube plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cube minus 27. And then we need the difference, so let's see how it is. X cube plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cube minus 27 minus x cube minus 27. That way it is x cube plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cube minus 27 minus x cube plus 27. Cancel. So you have 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cube. Let's consider therefore f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So it's like 3x squared h 3xh squared plus h cube by h. So that's like h common, 3x squared 3xh plus h squared by h. Now let's get the derivative. F dash x by formula is limit as h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is ready made with us, that is this expression. So limit as h goes to 0 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared. So the limit can get distributed to all the functions. Limit as h tends to 0 3x squared, limit as h tends to 0 3xh, then limit as h tends to 0 h squared. So 0 squared, this will become 0, 3x into 0, that will also become 0, and h, limit h is going to 0 and there is no h term here, so it will stay as 3x squared. The others are all becoming 0. This will also become 0, this will also become 0. Overall derivative will be 3x squared. So that's how we work with f of x. Now similarly, let's take the next function. They have just given it like that. Let's call it as f of x as x minus 1 into x minus 2. Let's expand it. It is x squared minus x minus 2x plus 2, which is x squared minus 3x plus 2. So what is f of x plus h? It is x plus h the whole squared minus 3 times x plus h plus 2. So it is like x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 2. Right? Let's take the difference. F of x plus h minus f of x. So that is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h plus 2 minus x squared. Right away we will do, okay, just change the sign so that we know how to do it. It's like plus 3x minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 x squared minus x squared 3x. All that is getting cancelled and you are left with 2xh plus h squared minus 3h. So f of x plus h minus f of x whole by h is h times 2x plus h minus 3 by h. So that is left. Now we require f dash x, which by definition is limit as h goes to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So that is limit as h goes to 0. We have it ready made, 2x plus h minus 3. On application of limits separately, it will become, here it cannot be applied because h, there is no h. Here this will make it 0 and here also there is no h. So it stays as it is. So this will stay, and this will become 0. So your answer is 2x minus 3. The derivative of that function is 2x minus 3. Similarly, let's move to the next question. Let f of x be x raised to minus 2, if you can call it, or you can call it as 1 by x squared. That's our wish. Obviously, we are going to take the next step, f of x plus h. So that is going to be x plus h raised to minus 2. Next step, f of x plus h minus f of x. So that is actually 1 by x plus h the whole square minus 1 by x square. Right. Now, in order to solve this, you will have to kind of get the LCM. So what will come? X squared minus x plus h the whole squared by x squared into x plus h the whole squared. Let's see what works out. This is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. We know the expansion, right? And when we apply the sign, it will be minus x squared minus 2xh minus h squared by x squared times x plus h the whole squared. Gone. Right. We have the h common and the minus common. 2x plus h. Right, whether it's useful or not, we'll just get it done like that and keep. Then we consider f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So that is minus h into 2x plus h by x squared times x plus h whole squared. By h means it's divided by h. So divided by h means multiplication by the reciprocal, and by all that it will come to the denominator because of all that, right? Now that h and this h can cancel. So this is our leftover thing. So what will happen? Your f dash x by formula is limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. All this is there ready made with us. This entire thing is ready made here. So what is that? It is minus of 2x plus h by x squared into x plus h the whole squared. So h, wherever it is becoming 0. So when we apply the limits, it's like limit applied here, everywhere. So this term can become 0, this term can become 0. Let's see what is left. Minus 2x by x squared into x the whole squared. So one of the x's can cancel. One x will remain. So it's like minus 2 by x cube that comes up. And that's the derivative. There is one more question in that subpart. So let's finish that also, and then we will move to the next part of the video. Fourth subpart says that it is x plus 1 by x minus 1. As usual, we will also find out f of x plus h, which is wherever x comes, there we replace x plus h. Now, next step, f of x plus h minus f of x, which is what? X plus h plus 1, x plus h minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. Now equalizing. Here x minus 1 and here x plus h minus 1. Yeah. So here it is x plus h plus 1 times x minus 1. Here it is x plus 1 times x plus h minus 1. And denominator is x minus 1 times x plus h minus 1. Let's open the brackets and see what comes. So x squared minus x, then h. hx minus h, then 1. x minus 1, right? Then next step. First x, so x squared plus hx minus x, then 1. So x plus h minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus h minus 1. Let's open all this. X squared minus x. See, minus x plus x internally only it's cancelling. So let's cancel it. Why carry the burden? So plus hx minus h minus 1 minus x squared minus hx minus h minus into minus plus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus h minus 1. Now, what all things are cancelling? Yeah, minus 2h surviving term, x minus 1 into x plus h minus 1. And what is f of x plus h minus f of x by h? It is minus 2h by, in the previous problem we saw that this by h is actually going and coming and depositing in the denominator, right? So that's cancelling. So this is your f of x plus h minus f of x, which allows you to substitute it directly and get the answer. So let's go in for the substitution. Yeah. So what will come? Limit as h goes to 0, f of x plus h minus that chunk itself, we've got it as minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus h minus 1. Now when we apply limits separately, this is going to be 0 because h is taking the value 0, very close to 0 but 0. So what is coming? Minus 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 1. So basically the derivative is minus 2 by x minus 1. That's the answer, and these are the derivatives by first principle. So we have more problems left that will be taking it up in the next part of the video. Thank you. Sorry.